Hey guys, it's Fresh here. In this video, I'm briefly going to be going through the specs of the INFINIX HOT 10. Make sure you give this video a like, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our reviews, unboxing and comparison videos. Let's get started. Now, starting off with the body. The dimension of the INFINIX HOT 10 is 171.1 by 77.6 by 8.9mm. It weighs 195 grams in hand, and the build is a glass front, a plastic back and a plastic frame, coming with dual nano SIMs. Now moving on to the display of the device. The screen type of the INFINIX HOT 10 is an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with a massive size of 6.78 inches and an incredible 82.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution of the screen of the device is 720 by 1640 pixels, coming at approximately 264 ppi pixel densities. Now let's talk about the platform of the device. The operating system of the INFINIX HOT 10 runs on an Android 10, and INFINIX custom operating system, which is XOX 6.0, which is the latest version of the XOX out there right now. It also comes with a MediaTek Helio G70 chipset, which is quite a very good chipset for gaming and day-to-day usage, and comes with the Mali G52E EMC2 GPU. Now moving on to the memory of the device. As expected, the INFINIX HOT 10 comes with a micro SD card slot, and surprisingly it comes with 4 different RAM and ROM variants. Starting off with the base version, we have the 3GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Next we have the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Then we have the 4GB RAM and the 128GB ROM, and lastly we have the 6GB RAM version with 128GB of ROM. Now moving on to the main camera of the device. INFINIX still hasn't really stepped up their game in the camera department, but it comes with some quite decent camera specs. The rear camera is a quad camera setup coming with 16MP wide lens camera, and then another 2MP camera for macro shots, a 2MP camera for depth sensor, and a QVGA for low light sensor. And the rear camera can also shoot videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. It can go as high as 4K video recording. Now talking about the selfie camera. The selfie camera is a single 8MP camera for wide angle shots, and it can only shoot videos also at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now the battery of the INFINIX HOT 10 is actually a department whereas INFINIX puts some effort into. The battery is an outstanding 5200 mAh non-removable lipo battery, and that is quite huge. Some additional features of the INFINIX HOT 10 include the loudspeaker. Yes, they retained the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is quite amazing to see, and it comes with a micro USB 2.0 type. They should have given us a type C as we've seen in some of their other devices, but we are given a USB type 2.0 here. The phone only comes with 4 available colors, with some very difficult to pronounce, but we have the obsidian black, the amber red, moonlight jade, and ocean wave. That basically covers up all the specs you need to know about the INFINIX HOT 10. About the price, we are yet to be aware of the price, but I'm going to be sure to update you guys once the price comes out. I'm also going to be making a comparison video between the HOT 9 and the HOT 10, so I can know the difference between both devices, what INFINIX really updated in the HOT series. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell right beside it so you don't miss out on any of our videos and the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.